Key there. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point. So, imagine this: you're working on your computer, trying to access a particular file, and suddenly, you encounter a file not found error. Frustrating, right? This kind of problem can be a real headache, especially when you need that file urgently. But fret not, because there's a simple solution to this issue. Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. The key to resolving the file not found error lies in checking the file path and ensuring that it is correct. Sometimes, due to human error or a simple typo, the file path can be incorrect, leading to this error. By double-checking the file path and correcting any mistakes, you can easily overcome this hurdle. It's essential to pay close attention to the file path structure, making sure that each directory is correctly spelled and in the right order. By doing so, you can avoid encountering the file not found error and smoothly access your desired files. In summary, encountering a file not found error can be frustrating, but by verifying and correcting the file path, you can swiftly resolve this issue. I hope this solution proves helpful to you. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite tech mishap story. Let's laugh about our shared struggles in the digital world.